Now next problem, क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 है. अब एक्सरसाइज यही 18.2 एंड 18.3 के प्रॉब्लम्स कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व करेंगे हम यहाँ पे. सेम इंटीग्रेशंस के प्रॉब्लम है. दैट इज द इंटीग्रल 3 टाइम ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 10 एक्स की पावर 3 एंड एक्स डी एक्स. ये मेरे पास प्रॉब्लम है. प्रॉब्लम कोड से देखिएगा. 3x square minus 10 whole power 3 x dx. So now here we first see the derivative of that term. What is the derivative of that term? 3x square minus 10. Shabash, what is the derivative of that function?
6x
6x
6x. 10 का derivative is what? Derivative of 10 is
0.
0.
0
This means is its derivative is 6x. But here in multiplication is present simply x. Which term is missing is here?
6.
6. So if the derivative in the derivative constant term is missing, then we can multiply and divide with that term. Outside we can divide, and inside of the integral we can multiply with that term. So that is 6x. Now again, you can say that the derivative of that function is 6x is present. Only that we can do for कॉन्स्टेंट्स. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ हम कॉन्स्टेंट्स के लिए करते हैं, बाकी वेरिएबल्स के लिए हम ये नहीं करते. यानी अगर आपके पास वेरिएबल मिसिंग हो तो वेरिएबल से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड नहीं करते. ओनली वी कैन डू दिस फॉर मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग विद कांस्टेंट. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दैट टर्म इज प्रेजेंट. सो नाउ वी
और
कैन,
अगर वेरिएबल मिसिंग हो तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे?
फिर उसके लिए रूल और हैं, लेकिन वो अभी नहीं आए रूल. ठीक है, उसके लिए स्पेशल रूल्स हैं जो कि हम देखेंगे, वो नेक्स्ट 18.4 में आएंगे. सो नाउ हियर 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 10 होल पावर 3 प्लस 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. So we get from here 3x square minus 10 whole power 4 divided by 6 and 2 4. Okay, that's 6 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So now simplify that term. We get from here 3x square minus 10 whole power 4 divided by 24 plus c. So that is our required answer. Okay, that is our required answer. If the constant term is missing, then we multiply and divide with that constant term. So that is the rule in which we can solve. Now again, question number 44, you can better understand how can we multiply and divide the constant term. You can see the question number 44. Integral 2 integral 2x की power 3 minus x square whole power 2 3 time of x square minus x dx. That is question. Question is here that we can solve. Okay, now tell me, what is derivative of that term? 2x की power 3. What is derivative of that function? That term
6x square
6x.
6x square.
Okay,
minus
that,
2x
that is derivative of that is 6x square. Now minus sign, and derivative of x square is what? 2x.
2x.
2x. So 2x cube derivative is 6x square and x square derivative is 2x. Now here the in the multiplication the second term is what? 3x square minus x. So how can we manage that term, that the term will be same? कैसे इसको मैनेज करेंगे बताएं शाबाश. How can
multiplying by 2
multiplying and dividing by 2. If we multiply this with 2, we get 6x square, and multiply this with 2, we get 2x. So we can take integral before integral, we divide outside with 2x cube minus x square and whole power 2 multiply with 2. 6x square minus 2x. 6x square minus 2x. So that again you can say the derivative of that term is present is here. The derivative of that term is present in multiplication. So now we can add it in power 1. 2x to the power 3 minus x square whole power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c. The derivative of that term is here. If the constant is missing, then we can multiply and divide by constant. So we get from here 2x to the power 3 minus x square whole power 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 plus c. So that is our required answer. So we can solve that problem by that way. Okay, clear? Clear, Shabash?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oh.
sir.
Next question. Question number 45. In 45, integral 2x to the power 3 plus 6x whole power 5 x plus 1 dx. So now, how can we solve that problem? Shabash, how can manage that problem? Derivative of 2x square is what? 2x cube, sorry. Derivative of 2x cube is what? Okay, here
6x
is
6
square.
square.
6x square. Okay, now next one. Now next, derivative of that term is what?
6.
6. Okay, so here the term is what? X square plus 1. How can manage that term?
सर 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड कर
Okay, now divided with 6 outside of the integral and multiply second term with the 6. That is 6x square plus 6 and dx. So now the derivative of that term is that. The derivative of the term is present. So here 1 by 6, 2x to the power 3 plus 6x whole power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. Okay, the derivative of that form is that. So now here 2x to the power 3 plus 6x whole power 6 divided by 6 plus 6 plus c. Okay, so that answer is 2x to the power 3 plus 6x whole power 6 divided by 12 plus c. That is required answer. So if we can solve the problem,
सर ये मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होगा
oh sorry, it's multiply, right, it's multiply. So 6 multiplied by 6 is what? 36.
36
Okay, 6 multiplied by 6, we get the 36 from here. Okay, so that is our problem is solved. Okay, now next problem. How can manage that problem? So you can say that the next question is 46. Integral 4x to the power 3 plus 6x square whole power 2, whole power 3, 6x minus 6 dx. G, how can manage that term and how can we solve that term? Anyone please?
सर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे।
तो क्या वो टर्म बन जाएगी?
नो सर, सर ये 8 आ रहा है, 8x स्क्वायर 8x आ रहा है
तो फिर
और 2 प्लस कर नहीं
जी अदील अदील है
Yes,
क्लास?
sir.
अदील बताओ क्या हल
Yes,
निकालें इसका?
sir.
ये क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट हो गया है बाकी से। तस्कीन जोरा आप बताएं, अहमद इजाज आप बताएं। हाउ कैन वी deal that problem? How can we solve? Okay,
Sir,
from
x
this
भी
term,
चाहिए होगा.
what is
Sir, 2x.
यहाँ से कुछ कॉमन आता है, बताएं क्या आता है?
Sir,
सर 2
2x
X
square.
Okay, so we take common 2x square from that term. From that term, we take common 2x square. Okay, so that is taking common. So remaining term is what?
2x 2 आ जाएगा सर
2x plus 3
2x plus 3
3
whole power 3 and 6x minus 6 dx. Okay, okay,
सर
यस सर
2x स्क्वायर के ऊपर भी तो क्यूब आएगा।
very good. So we take our cube is here. If we take common from the term with its have whole power, then the power will become on that term which we taking common. ठीक है, जोन सी टर्म आप कॉमन ले रहे हैं तो फिर उसके ऊपर भी पावर आएगी क्योंकि होल के ऊपर पावर. Okay, so if you want to take the common, okay, now next Shabash, how can operate another term? How can we solve that problem? Shabash, now you can solve that. Here 2 power 3 is what? 8. Okay, 2 power 3 8. 2 power 3 8, x power 6, 2x plus 3 whole power 3, 6x minus 6 dx. Okay, right?
Yes,
2x.
sir.
Now again, next step, how can we solve such problem, Shabash? So here 8 x power 6, 2x plus 3 whole power 3, and here is what? 6 is common, x minus 1 dx. Now next 6 8s are is what? 48, constant outside, taking outside of the bracket, and x की power 6, 2x plus 3 whole power 3, x minus 1 dx. Okay, so now next what we can do, if we multiply this term with this, so we get from here 48 2x plus 3 whole power 3, x की power 7 minus x की power 6 dx. Okay, x की power 6 multiply by x is x की power 7, x की power 6 multiply with 1, x की power 6. Now next what we can do, Shabash, बताएं शाबाश, आगे कैसे करेंगे? Okay, now next step, from here there. Okay, so next 48 integral bracket 2x plus 3 cube is what? Cube का फार्मूला आता है किसी को? How can we operate cube on that both of two terms? A plus b whole cube is what?
2x plus 3 into
No. 2x का cube plus 3 time
Plus
of 2x square and 3 plus 3 time of 2x square and 2x and 3 square, and at last is 3 ka cube. So we can write that formula like that. If written is a plus b cube, you can write that a cube
Q
plus
plus
3,
B.
3 time of a square b plus 3 time of a b square plus b cube. So here 2x is a and 3 is b. 2x is a and 3 is b. So a cube mean 2x ka cube plus 3 time of a square mean 2x square plus b is 3. 3 time of a is 2x and b square mean 3 square plus b cube is 3. So that is the formula for that. So now next one. Next is what? X to the power 7 minus x to the power 6. So in multiply x to the power 7, x to the power 6 dx. Okay, x to the power 7 or x to the power 8. Now you can solve that term. So again 48 integral bracket 2 power 3 is 8x to the power 3 plus 3, 2 power 2 is 4x square 3 plus 3 time of 2x 9 plus 3 time of 3 power 3 is 27. From that term we get that. So now here the term is multiplied is x to the power 7 minus x to the power 6 dx. So 48 8x to the power 3 plus 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, x square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54, x plus 27, x to the power 7, x to the power 6 dx. Okay. Now again 48 g. Now next multiply this term, first term, here black marker is this term with this, we get from here what? 8x to the power 10.
x.
Okay. Now next multiply this term with that. So what we can get from here? 36 x power 9. Now next the third term multiply with this 54 x to the
4
power
x to the
8
power 8.
plus 27 x to the power 4 when we multiply this
Seven.
term. Okay. So next when that the same term is multiplied with the second term. So here multiply after multiplication minus 8
27 वाली term
27 x to the power 7 है ना?
7 होगा.
Okay.
Okay.
So now that term is multiplied with that. So minus 8x to the power 9, right? And the second term multiplied with the last term. So that is we get from that minus 36 x to the power 8, right? Now third term multiplied with the last term, we get minus 54 x to the power what? 7, and last term multiply with that, so minus 27 x to the power 6. So bracket close dx. That the whole term appeared in the integration. Now you can solve and integrate separately. Here you can see that 48 integral bracket, पहले brackets को resolve करते हैं. 8 x की power 10. Okay. 36 x की power 9. Other minus 8 x की power 9. 36 minus 8 is what? 36 minus 8 is what?
28.
28. So we'll write here 28 x की power 9. So next term 54 and minus 36. What we can get from here? Shabash, calculate करें. 54 minus 36 is what? 54 minus G क्या आता है?
18 आएगा.
18 plus 18 x की power 8. Now next term 27 minus 54. 27 minus 54
Minus 27.
minus 27 x की power 7.
7.
Now next one, x की power 6 is simple, minus 27 x की power 6 and bracket close dx. So that is our term. Okay. So now here 48 is outside. Calculator है किसके पास? इसका calculator है? Okay, fine, कोई issue नहीं है. So now
Yes sir है.
48 multiply by 8 x की power 10 dx. Integrate separately each term. 48 multiply by 8. Okay, fine. So now plus 48 multiply by 28 x की power 9 dx. Plus next term is 48 multiply by 18 x की power 8 dx. Minus 48 multiply by 27 x की power 7 dx minus 48 multiply by 27 integral x की power 6 dx. Okay.
सर ये वाला स्टेप समझाएंगे.
Okay,
वही है.
48 multiply by 8, then integrate separately term. 48 multiply by 28 and integrate separately term. 48 multiply by 18, then integrate x की power 8. 48 multiply by 27 and integrate x की power 7. 48 multiply by 27, x की power 6 is integrate separately, right?
Yes.
Okay. From here, if you can multiply is better, then we can solve. 48 multiply by 8 is what? 48 multiply by 8 is what?
384. 384.
384. Okay.
Yes
X,
sir.
okay, the derivative of x is present, so x की power 11 divided by 11 plus 48 multiplied by 28 is what?
1344.
1344 x की power 10 divided by 10, right? Now next term 48 multiplied by 18
864.
864 x की power 9 divided by 9. Okay, minus 48 multiplied by 27
1296.
1296 x की power 8 divided by 8. Now last term 48 multiplied by 27 is again is 1296 x की power 7 divided by 7 plus c. So now if you can divide that term, what we can get from here? 384 divided by 11. पॉइंट पे आएगा यही इस तरह ही आएगा. शाबाश बताएं. I think you can solve that one. Huh?
Point में आएगा sir.
Okay,
Point
so
में आएगा 34.9.
okay, we cannot take in point form. 11. Now you
Yes.
can solve that term. You can only solve for with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 1 carry here, 7s are and 2s are. So we get from here 672 divided by 5 x to the power 10. Now you can try that that is solve or not. I think it's cannot solve. So it is I think it goes with 3 table. 3 threes are
96
90.
6 are.
Completely solve हो जाता है.
Yes, sir. 96 are.
96 x to the power 9. So now next term is 1296 divided by 8.
Sir, 162.
Huh?
162.
162 x to the power 8. Now next term 1296. I think that cannot solve. 7 or 5 or
No, sir. ये इसका point नहीं आएगा.
okay, 1296 x to the power 7 divided by 7 plus c. So that is required answer. Okay, fine. That is completed problem from that. ये question number क्या था इसका? I think
सर
46.
इसको हमने इंटीग्रेट किया लेकिन इसका डेरिवेटिव कहाँ पे है? वैसे तो हम नहीं इंटीग्रेट करता.
Okay, so here you can see that derivative of x is what?
x की पावर 10 है सर. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इज 1.
1. So 10 plus 1 and 10 plus 1. Derivative of x is 1. X की power 10 divided by 10. X की power x derivative मौजूद है. 8 plus 1 is 9 divided by 9. Derivative
ओके
मौजूद.
सर.
ठीक है.
यस.
Now next question. So next question is 47. In question number 47, integral minus x divided by 4 minus x square by 2 dx. How can we integrate that? Shabash.
Sir, constant term by.
हाँ ये तो एलसीएम पड़ा है, कैसे बाहर निकालेंगे अभी?
Sir, LCM ले लें.
हाँ, minus x divided by 4 के नीचे 1 लिखेंगे. Now taking LCM between 1 and 2, so we get LCM 2. 4 2s are 8 minus x square dx. Now on the double division, the 2 is goes in upward, and we get from here minus 2x divided by 8 minus x square dx. Okay, देखिए शाबाश. Minus x divided by 4 minus x square by 2, taking LCM between 4 and minus x square by 2. So LCM between 1 and 2 is 2, and 4 2s are 8 minus x square. So here the 2 is in double division, so we can move from the denominator, so we can get minus 2x divided by 8 minus x square. So that is the simplest form of the equation. Now how can we integrate? Now how can we integrate that term?
सर
Sir, the
कांस्टेंट.
constant minus 2 by.
No, derivative of that is what?
Yes, sir. Minus 2x.
And that the whole term of that is what? Whole power is what?
1.
So what a derivative of that function is present in numerator, but its whole power is 1 in denominator. So what will be the integral of that function?
Sir, ln.
Right, ln of 8 minus x square plus c. Right, very good. So that is the answer. Okay, if the derivative of that function is in denominator function is present in numerator and its whole power is 1, so then we can write that term in natural log. That is the way to solve the problem. Okay, now next problem, that is after 47 we can solve 48 problem here. Problem number 48 is 4 minus x divided by x to the power 3 dx. X to the power 3 dx. So okay, so now how can we solve that problem, Shabash? You cannot say that the derivative of that term is 3 times of x square, but x square is not present in denominator. So now how can we solve that problem? Shabash. बताएं, how can we tackle such type of problem? नहीं पता ये इसका?
नहीं सर समझ नहीं आया।
Okay, so now you can break the LCM of that term like that. 4 divided by x to the power 3 dx minus x divided by x to the power 3. You can break the LCM of that term. Okay, so now here 4 is moved outside of the integral and x to the power minus 3 is written in the denominator. Okay, minus here the x power is 1 and denominator is x power is 3. So what we can write?
X raised to power minus 2.
Right, so 1x is cancelled with x. Here remaining in denominator is 2. If we shift it to numerator, we can write x to the power minus 2. Okay, so derivative of x is 1. So we can add in the power is 1. So my 4 into x to the power minus 3 plus 1 and here minus 3 plus 1 minus x to the power minus 2 plus 1 x to the power denominator minus 2 plus 1 plus c. From here we can get 4x to the power minus 2 and divided by minus 2 minus x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. If you can do further step, cancel 2 with 2 and minus is minus plus. So that is your required answer. Okay, समझ आई प्रॉब्लम की आप लोगों को? So we can solve such of the type of the problem by using that. Okay,
Yes sir.
now next one. Next problem is 49. In 49, 2 divided by x minus 5 dx. Okay, how can we solve? Two divided by x minus 5. Shabash.
भी ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा,
जी
तो इसको भी ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, इसका तो एलसीएम अगर ऊपर प्लस माइनस हो तो फिर ब्रेक होता है, तो डिनोमिनेटर में सिंपल है। देखें ना, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 1, सो 2 बाहर निकाल लें, 1 x minus 5 dx. So derivative of that term is 1 present in the denominator, but the whole power of that term is 1. So what we can do for that?
ln
जी,
ln
natural log of x. Okay, so that is the, all of the such cases you can do. Question number 50. Shabash. देखते हैं आप में से कौन कितना लायक है. Now exponential is here. How can we treat that type of function? Okay, first step मैं बताता हूँ. So here e power minus 2 dx minus 3 dx. Now what we can do next? शाबाश बताएं. अदील बताओ ना कैसे करेंगे इसको.
सर सर ई वाले का तो सर वही रहते हैं, डिवाइडेड बाय 2 हो जाएगा, ई स्क्वायर।
अदील ये बताओ ई की पावर में x नजर आ रहा है?
सर 2 लिखा, x 2 लिखा है।
हाँ तो फिर that term is constant, x is not appear in the exponential, it means it is constant, so we can move it to outside of the integral. That e की power 2 is move outside of the integral, remaining is 1, so it means it's treated like a constant. Okay, that whole term is
सर
constant.
x के साथ सर कोई होगी सर, वो नीचे आएगी।
हाँ, अगर x होगा तो फिर वो इंटीग्रेट होगा, अदरवाइज ये कांस्टेंट है। So that is e की power 2 and integral of 1 is what? X. Okay. Now
x
minus 3 times of x plus c. So that is simple problem था आपके पास, ठीक है? वाइंड अप करते हैं 8.3 को, 2 क्वेश्चन रह गए।
यस सर।
Now next question number 51.
सर अगर e के ऊपर x होता तो फिर कैसे करते?
If e की power x dx, so then integral of e की power x is e की power x plus c. If integral e की power 1000 x dx, so we can integrate that, we can write that e की power 1000 x divided by 1000 plus c. In the exponential, multiplication term with x must be written in denominator, so that is the way. Okay, okay,
ठीक है सर।
okay. So now next, integral x divided by under root of x square minus 8 dx, that is 51. Ji, how can you operate on that? Shabash. शाबाश।
ब्रेक हो सकती है।
नहीं, एलसीएम तो नहीं है, ऊपर है x प्लस
सर
माइनस में।
सर
इसका
x की पावर -1/2 ऊपर ले जाएंगे।
नहीं, इसका डेरिवेटिव चल लिख लेता हूँ। x into x की पावर 2 minus 8, the whole power is -1/2 dx. Now tell me, the derivative of that term is what?
2x
2x. So here is the
2x.
multiplication is what?
2.
2 is
2
missing.
2.
So multiplying outside of 2 and inside with 2. So x square minus 8 minus 1/2 dx. Derivative of that term is here. Now we can add in power -1/2 plus 1 -1/2 plus 1 plus c. So we get from here, if we write here 1/2 x square minus 8, after simplification we get 1/2 plus c, and in denominator is 1/2. So 1/2 is cancelled with 1/2, we get our required answer. Okay, so we get the required answer of the function. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next question. Question number 52, and it's last question of today lecture. So that is question number 52. Integral x divided by x square plus 3 whole power 5 dx. So how can we solve that problem? That is last today. So we can write that x square plus 3 whole power 5 minus 5 dx. Okay, so derivative of x square plus 3 is what?
2x.
2x.
2
So
को मल्टीप्लाई करें
1/2, divide with 2 outside and multiply with inside 2. So derivative of that term is present, so we can add in the power 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus c. So here 1/2 x square plus 3 whole power minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus c. Okay, so we get from here x to the power 2 plus 3 whole power minus 4 divided by minus 8. That minus sign is here. So if you can simplify further, you can write that 1 divided by 8 x square plus 3 whole power 4 plus c. Okay, if you
Yes.
can. So that is our required answer, and we completed the exercise 18.3 with the sufficient problems. Okay, that's our problem that we have solved. Any question related to integration or antiderivative? How can we solve such type of problem? शाबाश बताएं अगर किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so हम अपने लेक्चर को यहाँ वाइंड अप करते हैं और अटेंडेंस लेते हैं, फिर हम इसको खत्म करते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now we can take the attendance. अच्छा, मैं आज आप लोगों को डील असाइनमेंट दे दूंगा. ठीक है? That is related assignment related to unit number 17. Okay, relative maxima minima जो हमने किए थे. So that is the problem against of 17.1 and 2. You can solve how many days? कितने दिन दें उसके लिए अदील?
सर 4-5 दिन दे दें.
4 दिन बहुत है ना?
Yes, sir.
4 दिन दे दूंगा और मैं क्विज भी अपलोड
नहीं सर 5 दिन दे दें.
चलें 4 दिन हो गए. ठीक है बेटा?
सर 5 तो दें कम से कम.
वही तो.
या 6 दे दें, देख लें.
सर नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को सबमिट करवा दें.
बोलें.
सर 5 दिन दे दें, बहुत हैं सर.
5 दिन. नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
सर जैसे आपको इजी लगे.
मैं असल में आप लोगों के पहले क्विज कम हुए हैं तो मुझे क्या क्विज पूरे करने हैं ना.
ठीक है सर, जैसे आप चाहें सर.
हमने क्या चाहना है यार, आप लोगों की मर्जी से जो करना है वो करना है. जी बताएं. शाबाश.
ठीक है सर 5 ही दे दें फिर.
आज फ्राइडे है तो नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे या थर्सडे? बोले शाबाश.
Thursday.
ओके थर्सडे.
थर्सडे.
थर्सडे ओके फाइन. ठीक है. चलिए अटेंडेंस बोलें प्लीज. अदीबा सफदर.
प्रेजेंट सर.
ओके. अमीर हमजा खान.
प्रेजेंट सर.
हुजैफा.
प्रेजेंट सर.
ओके. सफीउल्लाह.
प्रेजेंट सर.
सफीउल्लाह है क्लास में?
जी सर, मैं प्रेजेंट हूँ.
ओके. नेक्स्ट सफीउल्लाह के बाद मलाइका. मलाइका अफसर. अच्छा मलाइका अफसर नहीं है. ओके. नेक्स्ट उरूज सर.
प्रेजेंट सर.
आयमा चौधरी.
प्रेजेंट सर.
आफाक अजहर. आफाक अजहर. आफाक नहीं है. ओके. अहमद एजाज.
प्रेजेंट सर.
ओके. अली अकबर.
प्रेजेंट सर.
बिलाल अहमद भट्ट.
प्रेजेंट सर.
फजर खान.
प्रेजेंट सर.
Haris Mustafa,
Yes, sir. Present.
Hasnain Ali Khan, Hasnain Ali Khan. Okay, next, Kamal Bukhtiar, Majid Ali,
Present, sir.
Mary Zohra Jafi,
Present, sir.
Mohammad Adil,
प्रेजेंट सर।
मोहम्मद बासिल।
प्रेजेंट सर।
अब आवाज आई है बासिल आपकी, पहले तुम्हें आवाज भी मेरी नहीं आ रही।
सर पहले भी आ रही थी।
अच्छा अच्छा। मोहम्मद हमास खान, हमास खान, हमास नहीं है।
सर इंटरनेट इशू आ रहा है मास का।
ओके, मोहम्मद सोएब सजाद,
प्रेजेंट सर।
मोहम्मद तंजील, मोहम्मद तंजील हसनैन, नूर अली।
इंटरनेट इशू सर सेम।
किसका इंटरनेट इशू है?
नूर अली सर मैसेज आया है उसका।
चलो ठीक है ठीक। नेक्स्ट 96 रोल नंबर।
Present, sir.
ओके, सकीना हसन। ओके, सैयद ओन।
प्रेजेंट सर।
ओके, सैयदा माहीन,
Present, sir.
तस्कीन जोहरा।
Present, sir.
ओके, शुन सालिम।
प्रेजेंट।
ओके, रोल नंबर 126, क्या नाम था? जियार बिन आसिफ। ये क्लास में तो था। जुबैर हैदर खान, जुबैर। ओके, हम
अली मतलब
क्या कह रहा है दिल, बोलो।
नो सर, मैंने नहीं बोला।
अच्छा अच्छा, मैंने कहा जुबैर क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट, हमना नियाजी।
सर उसका माइक इशू क्लास में ही है।
ओके ठीक है। मोहम्मद उमर, मोहम्मद उमर। ये क्लास में नहीं आता मोहम्मद उमर जो है?
सर आता है सर।
फर्स्ट सेशन में मुझे नजर आया, उसके बाद तो मुझे नजर ही नहीं आया ये। मोहम्मद उमैर,
सर
मोहम्मद उमैर। नेक्स्ट है अलीमा अली आगा।
Present, sir. Present, sir.
ओके ओके, मैं ऊपर प्रेजेंट लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है।
Thank you, sir.
ओके, हनान कमर।
सर हनान भी प्रेजेंट था।
ओके, मोहम्मद आदम, मोहसिन नियाज,
प्रेजेंट सर।
मोहम्मद दाऊद बिन कामरान,
प्रेजेंट सर।
मोहम्मद उसामा शाहिद।
प्रेजेंट सर।
ओके, नेक्स्ट उसामा के बाद है शहीद मुगल,
प्रेजेंट सर।
शमसुद्दीन।
प्रेजेंट।
ओके, आमना जुनेद, आमना जुनेद। ये क्लास में नहीं है। ओके, अटेंडेंस हो गई है। एब्सेंटीज प्लीज सुन लें। मोहम्मद एहसन शाहिद, मलाइका अफशर, आफाक अजहर, हसनैन अली खान। हसनैन मुझे आया था नजर एक सेशन में। और फिर उसके बाद है कोमल। नेक्स्ट है मोहम्मद तंजील, नूर अली।
सर वो भी प्रेजेंट था,
कौन?
उसका इंटरनेट इशू है, तंजील।
ओके, अच्छा, सकीना हसन एंड जुबैर, देन उमैर एंड आमना जुनैद। ओके, दैट इज टुडे जी। किसी ने कुछ पूछना है तो वो पूछ सकते हैं, शाबाश, ताकि फिर हम वाइंड अप करें। So okay, so now we can wind up our lecture today. Now we will meet for next lecture inshallah. अदील, एक बात आपसे पूछनी थी, जरा वो भी सुनिए। अदील, ये बताएं मंडे को क्या टाइम टेबल है आप लोगों का?
सर पहली क्लास सर हमारी 10:30 है, फिर उसके बाद 1:30 सर 3 बजे तक है सर क्लासेस।
ओके, और ट्यूसडे को?
सर ट्यूसडे को सर 12:30 तक,
12:30 तक
8:30 से 12:30 लगातार है।
तो हम अगर 1:30 पे हम क्लास लें तो?
सर 3 घंटे की?
नहीं, 3 घंटे की नहीं, हम ब्रेक करके लेंगे, इतनी लंबी क्लास लेंगे। इट्स 2
सर
hours, मे बी 2 hours और 2 hours, ठीक है, या 1.5
ठीक
hours
है
ले लेंगे, ठीक है।
सर 1 यस सर 1.5 घंटे।
सही है, फिर नेक्स्ट फिर हम सैटरडे को एक ले लेंगे, तो इस तरह हम अपने वो 6 लेक्चर आज पूरे करेंगे।
यस सर,
ठीक,
यस सर।
तो क्लास को बता दें कि ट्यूसडे इंशाल्लाह 1:30 पे हम आफ्टर नमाज हम क्लास लेंगे, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, ओके जी, ओके
ओके सर।
ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, अल्लाह हाफिज़,
ओके सर।
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज़,
अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज़।